Alright, throw it in. Pick one up, let me see.
That good painting rough, Lily?
Bye. Making a habitat?
We're making an habitat for snails. Put more water. There we go.
You pick one up, name it.
There. Meow. They're sticking to the wall. Scary.
Hold one up, let me see him.
Tuna. And branch. And now there's a bunch of them in there. I'm gonna try and move their little rock there. That's probably good right there.
Alright, sea snails and river snails are members of the phylum Mollusca, and they're gastropods, meaning their whole body acts like a stomach, but their stomach is kind of like a foot. It pulls it along the river.
He's fighting. He's below. Look at it. Look at her.
Breathing. Yeah, you're pretty.
What animal?
Nope.
Good. You're my girlfriend.
Yeah. Some luscious little meow. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Is that good, mister? Okay.
Try and open it.
Alright, this is what a walnut looks like.
Ow. It's scary. Excuse me. There's a burl inside. Once you crack open the burl, there's a walnut. School's out.
Good job. Alright.
Oh,
Ain't got
man.
meat in there.
She smacked
You
it
can
one
eat
time.
that.
Let me see. Can I see?
What you want to do? Like I said, y'all enjoy
You wanna throw that
yourself
knife at you?
and y'all do what y'all.
I got a big dog, but I dropped it. Then I had to leave it. I got a pedal dog. Then I had to grab the dog. Someone stole my rock.
Hey, wave.
Are you sure if you can water?
Are your feet still warm?
No. Oh, that's cool. Like that. It is a pretty good jump, though.
What is it? Okay. Got 2 skips.
Hungry. But one of the best horses we have here, so you're in for a treat. So I'm gonna kind of show you what to do and how to get on, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little lap around the facilities. I'll show you how to get like kind of base riding in, and we're just gonna have some fun, okay? You excited? Nice. You nervous? That's okay, that's how it goes. Low. But what you're gonna do is so you're gonna step up all the way. There you go. Now with both feet, and then you're gonna put your left foot in here. Hang on. Put your left foot in there.
And which one?
Yeah, there. Yeah, that small one right there. There you go. There you go. Now swing over. Nice. She's a pro. I don't even have to say anything. Yeah. So you said your name was Lily, right? Well, what grade are you in? You gotta speak, Lily. 5th grade? Very cool. You got middle school next year. You excited? Yeah, they can be pretty nervous. I mean, it kind of seems like the place to be. I'm a student over at App State.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm a sophomore over there, and I would kill the chance for the Lily, really. Come on, Lily. Oh yeah, so that is Tommy, and we have about 5 barn cats here, and they just keep away all the mice and the critters and stuff. Because on the top where that little window is, we keep a ton of hay up there. Because these horses eat about 20% of grass and hay, 20% worth their body weight a day. So we have to keep a lot of hay and grass. We have to keep feeding them all day long to keep a lot of hay. Those cats help us out a lot.
Lily has a YouTube channel.
Does she really?
We film some of our homeschool activities.
That's awesome. I love
Yeah.
that. I used to have a YouTube channel when I was about your age. I had like a little GoPro. And, planning on moving out west, going to Montana State to study ranch management.
Okay.
So, and I don't know if I can grow. Hey, quit that. Come on. I know you're hungry.
You guys have shorter hours here. It's like daybreak at 5 where we live.
I know, yeah, we do. But we get here around 7 o'clock, 7:30, before the sun's up. So it's like, well, we typically try to get out of here around like 5, maybe 6.
Yeah.
Like today's probably a 6 kind of day.
Yeah.
Just because we're so sweaty.
We've done the guided trail ride before.
Oh, y'all have?
It was beautiful. I have it with her.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's ready for that.
That might have to be the next move. She seems like a pro, so
Yeah.
I mean, I think she could do it. Yeah, I always enjoy that. Have y'all ever? You're gonna take your left foot out of the stirrup, and then you're gonna just jump back down. Okay? So there you go. So you're gonna take your right foot out. All right. Now swing it over the horse. Swing it over high. There you go. Good job. Then you can bring it down. All right, now just bring this foot down. Bring this leg down. Lean over. There you go. She's a pro.
She's my little buddy. How is this?
A giant diamond.
Look at that beautiful. Look at there.
It is. So we're gonna get.
I might just stand.
Okay.
Hold on. They have
Get your bearings.
some of them.
Good. Okay. Okay. Does it look good?
This
talking about before.
you good?
Smile, Lily.
Oh, it's there. I ready to come down. You can shoot.
Ain't that pretty, Jake? Oh, it's beautiful.